61A lecture number 29. Announcements. Homework 7 is due Thursday. Office hours tomorrow are not going to be in the regular location because that location is full. Instead, they'll be in a small conference room next to the big area that's labeled ORN 101A. We'll hopefully put up a sign. And from 12 to 5, we'll hold office hours in there, and it will be crowded. So, if you could come to some other office hour, that would be great. We'll still hold office hours, but we'll have fewer staff and less space. So, hopefully you can get stuff done today instead of waiting until tomorrow. Please submit midterm 2 regrade requests Wednesday, 11/9. That's next week. The videos for this lecture aren't done. I'm still editing them. I had to make more changes than I realized. And so I'll try to have them posted by 5 p.m. today, Wednesday, November 2nd, but they're not done now. So if you want to hear the lecture right away, then come to live lecture or watch it on Zoom. Otherwise, Zoom link is here. Otherwise, you'll have to wait till 5 p.m. or so when I finally get the videos posted. Sorry about that.